a major recommendation of Dr. Swaminathan Commission is that the farmer must get at least 50% profit over his cost of production. Now, they have also recommended that the income of the farmers should be equivalent to the income of the salaried employees. Now, this has not been clarified because there are various kinds of salaried employees. There are class 1 employees, there are class 4 employees. So it is not clear as to with what class of employees the parity should be there. But then what we say, ensure that the farmer gets the income that is equivalent to the salary of the lowest paid employee. In the 7th pay commission, the lowest salary of the government employee is going to be 18,000 rupees per month. That is roughly equivalent to about $300 per month, slightly less. Please ensure that the farmer gets at least that much. The second recommendation of Dr. Swaminathan is that the minimum support price should be implemented properly. There is a minimum support price for every produce today. It's not implemented. If you want to implement minimum support price, you must have purchase centers, adequate number of purchase centers where the farmer can go and sell his produce to the government. This doesn't happen. For one thing, the purchase centers do not open in time, so that the farmers are forced to make distress sale to the private traders. Then, even when he goes to the purchase center, there is no adequate arrangement for purchasing his produce, so that sometimes he has to wait at the center for days together. There is no transparency in the grading system. So all these anomalies should be removed and the minimum support price should be implemented properly. Then Dr. Swaminathan has also suggested that there should be a price stabilization fund. There are wide fluctuations in the prices of agricultural produce. If there is a price stabilization fund, separate fund, then these fluctuations can be controlled.